Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible world of moringa, often hailed as a superfood. We'll explore 17 excellent benefits and uses of this nutrient-packed plant, from boosting your immune system to enhancing skin health. Moringa is not just a trendy ingredient, it's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that can significantly improve overall wellness. So, stay tuned as we uncover how moringa can transform your health journey. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Weight loss assistance. Moringa can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. Its rich nutrient profile helps boost metabolism, making it easier to burn calories. With low calorie content and high nutrient density, moringa keeps you feeling full while providing essential vitamins and minerals. To incorporate moringa into your diet, add its powder to smoothies, soups, or salads. This simple addition can help curb cravings and support your weight loss goals. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Moringa is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation. This is a potential ally in alleviating chronic pain and conditions like arthritis. Research has shown that moringa contains compounds such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which may help lower inflammation markers. Studies indicate that regular moringa consumption can significantly improve pain management and overall joint health, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Benefits for the bones and skeletal system. Moringa is a fantastic source of calcium and phosphorus, two essential minerals for maintaining strong bones. These nutrients are crucial in preventing osteoporosis and promoting overall bone health. Incorporating moringa into your diet can help strengthen your skeletal system. Consider adding moringa powder to smoothies, yogurt, or soups, or enjoy moringa tea to boost your calcium intake and support your bone health effectively. Body's metabolism. Moringa can remarkably enhance the body's metabolic functions, making it a great addition to your health regimen. Its rich nutrient profile can boost energy levels and promote fat burning, helping you maintain a healthy weight. To support metabolism, consider adding moringa powder to your morning smoothie, mixing it into oatmeal or brewing it as tea. These simple additions can help you harness moringa's metabolic benefits effectively. Rich source of nutrients. Moringa is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients support immune function, promote healthy skin, and maintain strong bones. With its impressive nutritional profile, moringa is often considered a superfood that can enhance overall health and well-being. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you can easily boost your nutrient intake and support a healthier lifestyle. Antioxidant properties. Moringa is rich in antioxidants, which are crucial in combating oxidative stress and protecting the body from cellular damage. Key antioxidants found in moringa include quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These potent compounds help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Incorporating moringa into your diet can enhance your antioxidant intake, support longevity, and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa has shown promising effects on blood sugar levels, with studies indicating its potential to lower glucose levels in the body. This makes it a beneficial addition for those managing diabetes. The compounds in moringa, such as isothiocyanates, may help improve insulin sensitivity. To incorporate moringa for blood sugar management, consider adding moringa powder to smoothies, salads, or soups, or enjoy it as a tea to support stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Heart health. Moringa is a valuable ally for cardiovascular health, known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart function. Its rich antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress, promoting better circulation. To support heart health with moringa, consider incorporating moringa powder into your daily smoothies or salads. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and managing stress can enhance the benefits of moringa, contributing to a healthier heart and overall well-being. Digestive health. Moringa offers significant benefits for the digestive system, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. Its high fiber content helps improve bowel regularity, prevent constipation, and support a healthy digestive tract. To incorporate moringa for digestive support, try adding moringa powder to smoothies, soups, or salads. Additionally, drinking moringa tea can soothe the digestive system and enhance nutrient absorption, making it an excellent choice for maintaining overall digestive wellness. Skin health. Moringa is a fantastic skincare ingredient for improving skin hydration and elasticity. Packed with vitamins A and C, it helps nourish the skin and can aid in treating conditions like acne and eczema. For a simple DIY skincare recipe, mix moringa powder with honey to create a hydrating face mask, or combine it with coconut oil for a moisturizing body scrub. These natural remedies can enhance your skin's health and radiance. Hair health. Moringa is a powerhouse for hair health. It is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as iron and zinc, which promote hair growth and strength. Its antioxidant properties help prevent hair loss and damage by combating free radicals. To harness moringa's benefits, consider using moringa-infused hair care products such as shampoos, conditioners, or hair oils. These products can nourish your scalp and enhance your hair's health and appearance. Immune system support. Moringa's rich nutrient profile boosts immune function. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E and antioxidants, it helps strengthen the immune system and fight off infections. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can further support overall health. To enhance your immune health, consider adding moringa to smoothies, soups, or teas for a nutritious boost that supports your body's defenses. Mood and mental health. Moringa has shown potential in enhancing mood and mental well-being, with studies suggesting it may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Its rich antioxidants and essential nutrients support cognitive function, promoting mental clarity and focus. To harness moringa's benefits for mental health, consider adding moringa powder to your morning smoothie or enjoying moringa tea as a calming beverage. Regular consumption can contribute to improved mood and overall mental wellness. Detoxification. Moringa is crucial in detoxifying the body, particularly by supporting liver health and enhancing detox processes. Its high antioxidant content helps eliminate toxins and reduce oxidative stress, promoting overall wellness. To incorporate moringa for detoxification, add it to a green smoothie with spinach and banana, or mix it into a refreshing detox salad with cucumbers and lemon. These recipes can help you enjoy moringa's detoxifying benefits while nourishing your body. Energy boost. Moringa is a nutrient-dense superfood known for its energy-boosting properties. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, it helps combat fatigue and enhances overall vitality. The rich iron content in moringa supports oxygen transport in the body, further increasing energy levels. To harness its benefits, consider making moringa energy balls by mixing moringa powder with oats, nut butter, and honey. These delicious snacks provide a quick and nutritious energy boost for your day. Pregnancy and lactation benefits. Moringa's rich nutrient profile offers numerous benefits for pregnant and nursing women. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and folate, it supports fetal development and overall maternal health. Additionally, it may enhance milk production, providing vital nutrients for breastfeeding mothers. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating moringa into your diet during pregnancy to ensure safe consumption and appropriate dosage. Culinary uses. Moringa is a versatile ingredient that can enhance various dishes. Its tender leaves have a slightly earthy flavor and a vibrant green color, making them perfect for salads, soups, and stir-fries. You can add moringa powder to smoothies, baked goods, or even pasta for an extra nutrient boost. Don't hesitate to experiment with moringa in your cooking. Its unique taste and health benefits can make your meals delicious. In summary, moringa is a remarkable superfood packed with essential nutrients that support overall health, from boosting immunity to enhancing skin and hair health. Its sustainability and versatility in cooking make it a valuable addition to any diet. Remember to explore moringa's benefits and consider incorporating it into your daily routine. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe and share this video, and check out our related content for more health tips.